All right. So
I cannot believe it's only been a day. Not even a full day.
I thought it'd be cool if we had like a debrief. So this is what we're gonna talk about. I don't even know where to start.
I know.
Like we got here and then just drove here and it
was beautiful. It looked like so many different places that we've been to, but also different at the same time. Like all the cornfields, and apparently Guatemala means the land of the corn, right?
Well, he said this one. Oh yeah, he said like the way the word Guatemala came about
was the land of the corn. And there's so many cornfields. We're looking at one right now. Oh, geez. That was a big fly.
Word.
We got here.
Yeah, then we just like.
Oh, then he told us about the history of the town because it's an art center. Honestly, this town is very art.
It's filled with artists. He gave us a tour of his like dad's.
Oh yeah, his dad's studio, his studio.
Yeah. He said his nephews are also artists.
Yeah, his whole family is art, and his mom made like a sugar fig, and
that thing was incredible.
Incredible.
Never had anything like that before.
Wow.
It's like candied figs or something.
And then we walked through the farmers market. Look at the market.
Yeah, the market was
beautiful.
So many colors.
Yeah, it was.
And
so
it's
beautiful.
cool because like everyone here wears the same.
All the women wear the same like dress, embroidered dress, right?
Yeah, they're like, it's like their uniform. I feel like. Word.
Like I feel like I'm in a Disney movie, like seeing all the outfits. It's so vibrant, and they're all like holding things. The older women are holding baskets on their heads.
And the older men are like dragging carts around.
It's so cool.
And like everything is handmade.
Mm-hmm.
It's just wild.
It was beautiful. And then we walked through the church, which is just like every other church. It's scary.
Yeah, there's a lot in there. What is going down? Maybe they're hunting or something. But there's also, and then we had a hard time getting money.
Oh yeah,
because our monies weren't crisp apparently, even though they were fresh hundreds.
Yeah.
But
we got it. So
we ended up getting it. Pretty bad exchange rate, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
You kind of. I feel like every country's a little different, like when or how you exchange things, or like if you need to.
And I think our meal for 3 people was $20.
Yeah.
Which is
breakfast was $40, but that was because it was at a fancier place, and there's also a 4th person with us, the driver with us. But it was also like a diner fancy place. This was like
it was very fancy.
This was like a local restaurant, you know. We like turned the corner and it was like, they're still constructing it, and I was like, what?
Yeah, and the plants were coming in through the ceiling.
Yeah, that was super cool.
Oh gosh. Oh, and then we got our buckets. We got 30 buckets out of 50.
That was an experience, having to put all those on the little tut things and drive.
That was awesome.
And then we met Matt, which is I'd met him already, like on the phone.
Yeah.
But having a conversation with him in person, I was like,
he's
like you feel it when someone's like you feel like when you're like on the same plane, you get it.
He has so many great points. And the school, they showed us around the school. It's amazing. It's how they came about these ideas to create building structures like this. I can't even.
This is tires. Like we're sitting on a building. Like this building that we're living in is tires.
Yeah.
And like
and
dirt and mud. And
one way that they build a building. There's so many ways that they do it, and they like collect rainwater.
And they send it to a cistern, and then that thing. It's just like.
And it waters the plants. I'm like, ugh.
And their bathrooms are like. This one goes to the compost, and this one goes to this thing, and I'm like,
oh my gosh,
like, how did
and then the
come
glasses in the wall that make
the lighting
just.
Man, I want to get a video or a photo of like the light coming through those colors because it's like stained glass.
It's so beautiful.
It's like just like the buildings are all dome, like adobe, and then like in the ceiling there's like circular glass bottles that are different colors. So when the light comes through, it's like that's the color light. It's just
and all the structures are earthquake proof because there's a lot of earthquakes here. It's like the way that the tires are built, they're up against each other somehow, so it can't break.
There's like some structure. Yeah, there's like some like definitely some engineering that went into it. That's like
so cool.
Like this building pushes onto this building, which keeps that building. I'm like, dude, what?
And this building is slanted at an angle, so all the water collects.
And this is in like the jungle mountains of Guatemala, like not in a
small town,
not in a developed place with like a lot of like buildings. Like,
yeah,
this is what we're looking at. Farm.
Yeah.
And this was just day one. So tomorrow
It
we
hasn't
have.
even been 24 hours.
I know. Tomorrow we have like the full
And
experience.
tomorrow's gonna be like a really impactful with the students, which I'm so excited for.
We get to help around
Oh
the school. We get to
my
set up all the water. So tomorrow's like the water filter day,
Yeah.
which is like
Amazing.
It's always like a nerve-wracking day for me, because like there's so much emotion behind it. Last
Yeah.
time in Vietnam, I just cried. Like I just couldn't stop crying.
Ugh,
And I was like,
I want to cry.
this is crazy. How am I gonna? And I was like laughing, crying. And I was like, how am I gonna
oh,
do this?
I love those cries.
So,
I
yeah,
love
it's-
those cries.
So yeah, it's exciting to see what.
And we're hearing thunder and seeing lightning in the distance, and like how beautiful to fall asleep to that, and maybe some gunshots, whatever those were.
Whatever those were.
But it's like, oh, that's another thing. The people here are so friendly. Like everyone we pass, buenos dias, buenos tardes, hola. It's just, we feel
Smile.
so welcomed and safe. It feels amazing.
Yeah, I don't feel like out of place here. And a lot of
Uh-uh.
times I do travel places. I feel like a foreigner
Yeah.
here for sure.
Yeah. But it's very small town vibes. Everyone knows everyone, and just smiles all around.
Yeah, like Roberto was like giving like
Messing
messing
around
with
with
his friends.
everyone. It was, and then we met his wife
He ran to
randomly.
his wife. Yeah, that was just super cool. So,
Yeah,
I don't know.
it's-
It's been it's been crazy cool so far.
And I think as of right now, for our adventure day, we're thinking of doing a ruin, like a Mayan ruin, and then going to the Atitlan Lake.
yeah, which would be cool, because
I
I've
just
heard the
wanna
lake's beautiful. Yeah,
I just want to see the views and be in water. I love water.
yeah,
But yeah, the weather is absolutely amazing. Nothing that I expected.
yeah. It's like
It's
not
perfect.
humid.
It's not humid. It's not hot. It's not cold. It's like, what?
I know.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Stray dogs and cats everywhere.
Yeah, we have a cat. We have a
Beautiful.
little cat living in this building. Hopefully, we can become friends with him.
Yeah.
And,
Wow.
Yeah, I'm excited for
That
tomorrow.
was- me too.
Just to see,
I'm
like-
excited for all of it.
I know. It's like crazy that like the next days are just like
Yeah.
building upon the previous day.
Yeah.
You know, and it'll be cool to. Oh, we also found a person who said he'll film,
Yeah.
which is radical.
Mhm. So then we don't have to worry about that tomorrow.
Yeah, we can like me and you can just like focus on
The
the
interactions.
POV and the interaction stuff, like that
Mhm.
kind of work, and he can just.
Yeah.
And it'd be cool to
follow
have
us.
someone's perspective, like of a filmer who's ever seen
Yeah.
us do this work, to like see how he films it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. So very, very exciting.
Yeah.
And that's just day one. Oh my
this has
God.
been travel day.
Yeah,
this
this
is travel
day. We walked so much. I'm surprised I'm like alive because we only got like maybe 3-4 hours of sleep
Yeah.
in total.
Yeah. So I'm probably gonna just kick it. Gonna go get dinner.
Yeah, and then pass
and then
out.
Pass out.
Oh, I love it.
I'd be down to get coffee with Matt in the morning if we're up.
Oh, me too. I need coffee, so.
Yeah. But yeah, so this was day one. I guess we're gonna
We're gonna do
check in
this.
tomorrow too and do this again tomorrow. But
Yeah, we'll keep you guys updated.
but yeah.
Good night.
All right.